Hello, this is Aaron. Welcome to part 2 of my project. So, for the login, I've made it so you don't need to verify. For the meantime, verifying, I'm just doing it for my sign up as a one-time thing. So now I log in, simple page. I've got to get to the login, I've made it. It's stored in a different directory in the folder called sub, and it's stored as login.html. So now when I try to log in, Aaron12 is my username from before, and my password was the password word 123 exclamation mark. Should work without any problems. Yep, so it takes me to my survey, which was accessed before. So now I put in Aaron 12. See, it already recommends it to me. And then I'll just put Dingus 1, for example. Just doesn't matter. Leads. And now, as a usability feature, I want to show you that, like, if I try to submit it, I get a little output that says field is fill out this field. I get a little prompt telling me that my field has not been that the field for time, for example, hasn't been inputted. Yeah, hasn't been filled. So a prompt comes up reminding the user that they need to put in this field. So if I do that now, it should work. So if I do, yeah. Come on, why are you being slow? Why is this not working? Okay, no, so that should be fine. So now, if this, okay, it works. So 27th, that is the date today, as you can see, 27:36. If I just grab 27:36, then if I try to submit it again, I get a little prompt saying you can't, this field has not been filled. So if I do that, 28.36. Car used is, because these are not mandatory, I could submit it now, and I'll do that. So if I do proof 2, and I use car, fast car, whatever, doesn't matter. Ooh, crap. Fast car. Additional cost, I'm going to leave as 0, and I'm not going to select the file, and it should submit. X, this is to show that my database is connecting. So now if I go to the directory, it shows that it's running the PHP file, which I have in the same folder, which I've obviously linked to my HTML as a form action. So now if I go to my terminal, I'll start it up again. I'll just go to my terminal and drag it over here, or not, it gets stuck. Just give me a sec, using my elbows. There we go, is my terminal. So we log in again to my virtual machine. Log in. Just incorrect password, I think. Why is this not focusing? There we go. Aaron 44. Virtual machine. Perfect. And now I'll show you the database first. So I just go sudo mysql to show that it's worked. Password. And then I go on my testing database. Use. Testing. Is this focusing? Yeah, use testing. So now I'm in my testing database, and I show because I don't have a login database, I don't need one. It automatically compares username and password to my sign up, so nothing will have changed there. But now if I go select, it's not in caps, select typing with one hand is hard. From survey. Now I have two logs, index, with an ID of 2, username is the same. We've got the 27th and 28th that I selected, Dingus 1 leads, whatever, because I didn't change that, proof 2, fast car. And for my additional cost, I set it to 0, and because I didn't add an image, it does it as null. It stores it as null. So now if I want to exit my database, I can go back to my virtual machine, and then I can go to my root user, I believe. So if I go, I think it's this, yeah, and then I go cd var cd www, which is just the location, cd html, I think. Okay, and then I go ls. I've got a bunch of files, but pardon me, index is my initial one. So when I wanted to do my login, I did my login through index.sub, index slash, sorry, not index, 10.100.50.39, which is the IP, slash sub, slash login.html. But if I only entered 10, so I'll just get a new. So if I, for example, restart this and go automatic 10, should work, I automatically get taken to my sign up. But obviously when I put in the directory, it'll take me to the to the page that I want if I use the right directory. So it was in sub. I've got my index.html, which is where my starting point is, which is my sign up. Obviously I can go, for example, sudo, I don't need that, sudo nano index.html, and it is my the HTML page for the sign up. And then if I, oh crap, I'm covering it. If I exit, Control C, Command C, Control X. So now I've exited back there. I go cd from where I am sub, which is the file, and then I go ls to list all. And as you can see, I've got some, ignore that, that's just like a random document that I was testing. I've got my database connection.php, and some form.html, some index.php. This is all to run, and I've got, for example, so if I go to sudo process, which is what I was left running last time. So when I've finished the, is this focused? There we go. When I finished, okay, it's not, it doesn't want to do it, process. Process form. Oh, I know. There we go. That automatically selects it. So this is the PHP script that runs when I click submit with my survey, and as you can see, it grabs all my details, connects it to a database, and yeah, insert it into the table called survey if it'll focus. Focus. There we go. So that is, oh, how do I exit? Control X. And then I've got all my other, oh crap, scripts and stuff here. If you read my not HTML, my what you call it? Just like my write up and stuff on my evaluation, I have talked about how the QR code scanner doesn't work So I'll probably mention that to you tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for this part. And then finally, I will showcase the admin stuff.